Nice product. We like this atom very much and it is our one of the best product in Amazon, and I think that it is the best product of LG that we bought, thanks Amazon. Good product. News service by Amazon. It is working good and delivery was also on time. Value for money at this price. Go ahead and buy it. Using this fridge for past 20 days and it is performing fine. No issues so far. I received September 2016 manufactured model from seller Cloudtail, with 4-star and 194 units energy consumption as shown on door sticker. Noise level from compressor varies as per load and inside temperature. If you open door frequently, the compressor has to run hard to meet the set temperature, and that's when noise level increases and one can hear it. But otherwise is very silent. The left and right sides of refrigerator become slightly warm during normal running. Due to this, there is no formation of moisture droplets on sides. Cooling performance is very strong inside deep freezer, whereas in refrigerator section it's about average. There is no LED light in deep freezer, which is bit disappointing. It is recommended to put minimum 0.5 voltage stabilizer for long life. Got it for 19,590 rupees during Diwali sale, and at this price it is very good deal. Nice and happy. LG 260 liters 4-star frost-free double-door refrigerator GL-I292RPZL. Upzibn, shiny steel, inverter linear compressor is energy efficiency, large space and value for money. I am satisfied with this product and recommend to buy all of these. Silent and energy efficient. Very happy with Amazon. Got a nice product and no defect, plus cash back of 2,500 unexpected. Good work. After 1 month, I can say it was good decision to purchase my refrigerator from Amazon. Looking very good and shiny. Fast cooling and rapid ice making. One disadvantage is no light in deep freeze. I collect my order on delivery time, thanks Amazon for that. And product I received is very good. Demo person come in 4th day, which was not requested by me, thanks LG for that. I bought this for my family and they are so happy with it. I love Amazon. Thank you Amazon for fast delivery without any dent or scratch on the product, and LG for installation done on the same day of the product delivery. So far no issues, working smoothly. Great product. This is 5 feet tall ref, without any stand. The delivery was on time and the demo and installation guy was nice. One of the best refrigerators from LG. I highly recommend everyone to purchase it. Thanks to Amazon for this reasonable price and safe delivery. I bought it for 23,990 Rs. While in the local market, it was 28,000 Rs. Best refrigerator. I as well as my family is happy with this. Very good condition, no scrap. So, super. It's good fridge and value of money. Thank you LG. Good. Good fridge and budget. But LG service team damaged my fridge. Very good product. Amazing cooling, no light in freezer. LG should work on it. But overall LG brand proves itself that it is the best company. Would like to give 5-star ratings for LG and Amazon for timely delivery within 72 hours. But also 0 ratings for delivery person, did not support me. Product is excellent. Good performance, low electric consumption as given. Suitable for 3 to 4 person family. Bit dent mark may be seen due to transportation but product is excellent. I bought an RS23040/ in August 2018. Super. I'm writing this review after 2 months of purchase. It's really great for a small family. Enough chill and space for keeping food fresh. Only gripe being that egg tray is very small. The fridge runs super quiet. Very happy with Amazon delivery, as I received it the very next day of me placing the order. The looks are cool and it's energy efficient too. Very good delivery by Amazon in 2 days and very good exchange price. I'm very satisfied with this deal. Go for online. लोग एक शॉप वेल बहुत झूठ और कहेंगे कि ऑनलाइन पुराना बिकता है। ये है वो है मेन जैब लोकल शॉप मेन गया तो मुझे सेम मॉडल 260 LT का 3 स्टार 253 के साथ मिल रहा था और Amazon पे 4 स्टार 194 साथ। लोकल वाले कहेंगे कि ऑनलाइन वारंटी सर्विस नहीं मिलाती, वो सब बकवास बिट है, मार्केटिंग है। नाइस। Very super refrigerator. Color is very beautiful. Nice look. Handle may be placed in hidden manner. Easy installation within a day on free of cost. Early safe delivery. Less sound operation. Good offer. Thanks A to Z on. It's a very good deal. Installation by representative is also well. Wonderful refrigerator. Good product. I didn't receive keys with it. Bought it in only 21,490. Pros: 1. Inverter compressor. 2. 4-star rating, valid for 2018 year. 3. 10 years compressor warranty. 4. 260 liters gross volume. 237 liters usable. 5. 100 to 290 operating voltage. As it is inverter compressor, so no need to use stabilizer. 6. Safe delivery, no any dent or scratch. 7. LG service came after 1 day of delivery for demo and installation. Cons: so far not seen any cons. As in 21,490, this is great deal. Going well. Nice buy. Totally worth the money spent. However, the demonstration at Hyderabad could have been better. They just came and switched it on and said the basic minimal stuff, which I could have done it myself by reading the manual. Nothing regarding maintenance and cleaning was told. No safety precautions were told. Good thing was they came on a Sunday. I brought this for 22,990 after instant cash back. I did not exchange, they were giving only 1,500 for old one. I got the delivery within 1 day with Amazon Prime. Click link in description for more reviews.